A bold new member of the tough and rugged S-10 family is the '83 Maxi Cab pickup. It has only one direct competitor, Datson's King Cab. But when it comes to the main reason why buyers purchase an extended cab pickup, more interior room, there's really no competition, because S-10 Maxi Cab defeats King Cab royally. S-10 Maxi Cab offers a standard bench seat that provides seating for 3 passengers. In back, Maxi Cab delivers more space behind the front seat for cargo, or passengers with optional flush-mounted jump seats. And there's the added advantage of available V6 power. Let's take a closer look at Maxi Cab's superior value features, truck to truck, against King Cab. Up front, S-10 Maxi Cab provides seating for 3 passengers with its standard bench seat. King Cab offers standard seating for just 2. A point for Maxi Cab. What's more, Maxi Cab trounces King Cab when it comes to room behind the front seat. With its standard front bench seat, the S-10 Maxi Cab delivers up to 40% more in-cab storage space than Datsun King Cab. Order handy available fold-down jump seats with required optional front bucket seats. And Maxi Cab defeats King Cab in rear passenger room as well. And notice how jump seats in a Maxi Cab fold completely out of the way, taking up no cargo space at all when not in use. The tire jack is covered to protect cargo from damage, and the floor space relatively clean and flat. Not so with King Cab. Its jump seats are obviously an add-on and not integrally designed like Maxi Cab's flush folding seats. See how far King Cab's jump seats jut into the cargo area when folded? And floor space is less usable because the jump seat mounts remain in position, cluttering up floor space and leaving exposed metal edges which interfere with cargo. But Maxi Cab's advantages don't stop there. The S-10 Maxi Cab also offers optional V6 muscle. Datsun has no V6 power to offer. That means Maxi Cab beats King Cab in available horsepower and delivers more than 2.5 times the trailer towing capacity when properly equipped. Yes, new S-10 Maxi Cab takes charge of Datsun King Cab with superior overall value in these important areas. Maxi Cab offers a standard bench seat up front that provides seating for 3 passengers. In back, Maxi Cab delivers more space behind the front seat for cargo or passengers with optional flush-mounted jump seats that fold completely out of the way when not in use. And there's the added advantage of available V6 power. That's why when you stop and compare, you'll find S-10 Maxi Cab is the real king.